Oh, the night's so beautiful, you guys. Sparkles. Say hi. I'm gonna call you over here. I just said hi. There's a lot of traffic today in town. Look at that.
It's just Tuesday, right?
Mm-hmm.
Crazy now.
Yeah. I don't know why it's so busy today.
People are doing things they should do.
Because that's their anxiety.
Yeah.
That's their anxiety. And then...
Are you on my TikTok?
No, I'm not. It's cold tonight. It's a razor. Oh my God, it's a razor. I don't know what I'm singing. We're just enjoying the evening. We put our patio stuff out again. Because yesterday we were going through that storm, remember I mentioned? Tornado warning and everything. So now we put everything back out. Because we're supposed to have a great week. And then spring's like, what, in a couple of days or something? Yeah, so. No, it's like in a couple of weeks. No, like in a couple of days. I think it's like the 23rd. Or like somewhere around my birthday. Oh, it's so nice and peaceful here. Any leprechauns, little fairies in here. This is where we have our little leprechauns and fairies. And our little, what are they called? What are those things called? Those little things, drones? No. Those little people. Drones? No, they're not called drones. Drones. No, I forgot what they're called. Drones, right? They're drones. Those little guys that had little pokey hats. Gnomes. They're little gnomes, and leprechauns, and little fairies and stuff. They all live in here in our little garden area right there. We have the moss and everything. The gnomes. That's what I was trying to say. The gnomes. I'm saying drones. It's the drones and the gnomes. Yes, that's what I'm saying. It's the drones and the gnomes. Yes, that's what I'm saying. I meant gnomes, not the drones. No, that's not what I'm saying. Oh, God. It's the gnomes, not the drones. No, that's not what I'm saying. It's not the gnomes, not the drones. Hey guys, it's cold out here. It is freezing. It's like freaking 20 degrees out here or something. Earlier it was 54, and that was like around 4. Yeah. Right now it's colder, but we're enjoying the patio. It's a nice evening to enjoy the patio. The nicest night. Look at the nicest night. The nicest night. The nicest night and everything. The night is nice. That's trying to say. Oh my goodness. I can't even talk. I can't even speak. I mean, I can't even talk. I'm not being goofy. I'm just like, oh my God, it's my anxiety. That's my anxiety.
That's my anxiety.
I think I need a glass of wine so I can shut the fuck up.
Oh my God.
All right. See you guys later. Oh, I done but out there. All right. See you guys later. Bye. Say bye, love.
Bye bye.
See you guys later. Bye.